Virgin Heart, good morning.
One, going to present our project.
Present.
Going to present our project.
Okay.
So our movie title is Between Us.
Between Us. Okay. Nice title.
This story tells about a girl who named Sarah,
Whose name Sarah.
a boy named Josh,
Okay.
who was in a relationship, but they both have a own. I mean, like they were busy with their own work until Josh feel that the relationship doesn't worth it anymore, and they are breaking up. But Sarah is still love Josh, and after a very long time, Sarah has moving to the new school, and Sarah have met a new boyfriend.
And?
Sarah also have a new friend. And after a while, Sarah wants to introduce her friend to Josh, but to Elton. But what Sarah doesn't know is Sarah's new friend is Elton X. So their story begins from that.
All right. Okay. We are so curious for the ending of the story. Okay. And please introduce your team members and their roles in this project. Let's start from this boy.
So Joel is our director. Me is
His name, please.
his name is Joel.
Joel.
He
And
is the director.
director.
My name is Jonathan. I am as the minor role.
Okay, you take minor roles in this story. Okay.
This is Kyla, the scriptwriter, and the major roles.
Okay, the scriptwriter.
This is
and-
Renaldi,
Okay.
the scriptwriter.
Oh, okay.
Ada David,
David.
minor roles.
Okay, he has minor roles here.
This is Chris Hart as minor roles also.
Okay,
This is
he
Dirga,
takes minor roles.
as the
Dirga.
cameraman and the editor.
Okay, and Lionel.
This is Lionel is the minor roles also.
Okay.
This is camera.
Wow, my car!
Minor role.
Okay, he has minor roles here.
Noel is the minor role.
He has minor roles.
This is
Litani.
is the minor roles also.
He has one. She has minor
Is
roles.
the minor roles, and this is Faith is the minor roles as the also the narrator.
Okay, thank you.